Hi, my name is Julie, and today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can find NFT projects on Opensea that have already been minted but have still chances of going up 10 to 100x, and who knows, the potential is there. And I'm going to share with you how you can do this. I'm going to share with you two ways you can do this. I'm going to share with you easy way first up. So the first step is to actually come on opensea.io, and then you want to click on stats, click on rankings. So that's the first step you have to do. Just come to this tab here. So once again, stats, and click rankings. Next step is, because I'm looking at collectibles, you can do this with any category you want, but I'm going to click on collectibles because that's what we're looking at today. You can do this with any of these. The same strategies probably still apply. So once you click on collectibles, you can also do this on any chains as well, but we're doing this on the Ethereum network because that's the most popular at the moment. So now the next step is you can change this to whatever you want, the last 24 hours, the last 7 days, the last 30 days. So this just shows you the volume of the last 30 days or 7 days, or you can look at the all-time volume. So how much has gone up the whole time that's been on the market. This is all up to you, but I'm going to click make it 7 days. The last 7 days. So as you can see, the last 7 days, this shows you the floor price of the project, and this shows you the amount of people who own one of these NFTs, and then this shows you how many there is of these NFTs. So how many that have been minted, how many being created of this project. This shows you the volume of that project, how much has been bought, sold in overall volume. So how many Ethereum in the last 7 days, I think, or maybe this could be overall volume. I think this is overall volume of the project. Alright, so now the next step is, all I do is go down the list of these projects, and I just look at the projects overall, the floor price, how many people are holding it, and how many have been minted, and I look for potential for maybe it to go, maybe there's still a chance that it's a project that I'm interested in. It doesn't have to be anything special. I'm just looking at the overall project here. Now I don't look for overall, like if it's going up or if it's going down. I just click at it and I look at it further. Now if I see it go up a lot, it has potential. It could look like it's going an uptrend, and if the floor price is still low, that still means it could have potential to be something that goes up a lot. So I just look at these projects, I open another tab, and then I look further into this. Now this is only the first step of doing research. I wouldn't just buy into this project. I'll look at the Twitter, I'll look at their Discord, is it active? I will look at like their website, what's their roadmap. This is just a step-by-step how to find the projects, and then the rest is doing the research after that. I will create a video on how to do the research at some point very soon, but this is just me looking at the projects that I potentially will invest into once I've researched it into further. So the floor price of these guys is 0.06. So I look at that. I'll look at how many are at the floor price, how many are still at the floor price. So as you can see, there's still a decent amount at the floor price, but it looks like it is going up. So there's a decent amount at the floor price, but still have potential to go up. The volume is decent. There's 2,200 owners, and there's 9,300 available that have been on the market. So the next step is, I will look at the volume now, at the activity. You can see you got all their Twitter, their Instagram, their Medium, their Discord, their website here, so you can do more research there. But I'm looking at the activity. I want to see if it's active at all. And the trend line, as you can see, you can look at the trend line. You can also look at the last 30 days, the last 90 days, the last 60 days. That's all up to you. The price history. So as you can see, it looks like just a big circle at the moment, kind of like a B, and it looks like it's going to go, it's kind of trending down in a way, but I can't tell 100% yet. You will have to wait. But the one thing that I like to see is activity, and as you can see, there's a lot of activity. A minute ago there was one sold for 0.1, there was a heap of them sold for 0.049, bought up last 6 minutes, 10 minutes, 11 minutes. So as you see, that's a really good sign to see a lot of volume in a very short amount of time. So that has potential. And as you see, there's another one coming in right now. So that's what I like to look for. And that's how I that's how I see if it's potential that it could go up. And yeah, that's the first step in how I can find NFTs on Opensea that have potential to go up in overall, that have already been minted. And that's the first project. Now you can do this with all the other projects and just do the same thing. Look at the ones, look at the volume, look at the trend. Is it going up or is the trend going down? That's really what I do. And before I research into it further on their website, their Discord and Twitter, like I mentioned. Now I'll get out of these real quick. Now another way you can do this is going to the home page once again and just clicking on all NFTs. You can click new and then you can look at collections. You can look at the actual collections categories. Once again we'll click on collectibles. So all I do is look at the new, click on the new, and just sort it by whatever you want. Recently listed, you can do it recently listed or whatever tab you want. Highest to low, you can look at the low to high. As you can see, you can look at low to high, or you can look at high to low. It's up to you. I will start off with just like maybe low to high and then just look through them. And I have collectibles on too. So recently listed, low to high, and now I just look through the projects once again and I just find something that's I'm interested in. And then all I do is once again go to new tab, open new tab, and I'll look into the project. And then once I do that, I'll just click here and I'll do the same thing that I just showed you before. I'll look at the volume, look at the floor price, and that's pretty much how I find projects on Opensea. I hope this video helped you out. If there's any questions at all, let me know in the description. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.